Good day, friends and subscribers. How are you? Welcome, everyone, because I have clicked at the right time and at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, today we are going to remove the account from this device that I have here. This device is on iOS 18.0.1, and we are going to remove this device with the remote air tool. For that, you need a good quality USB cable and ensure it is fully charged. You don't need a Windows computer or a Mac computer, but it should have at least an Intel i3 processor, at least the i3 processor. Okay? And it should be of the preferred brand, Dell, the Dell brand. I recommend that you use that type of computers so that you don't have problems when performing the removal. The account removal, well then, the remove tools already have the software available on their website for Windows and for Mac. Here is the software for Mac and for Windows. You can perform the account removal from the iPhone 5 to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 models do not fall into this category yet. Well, and here you will also be able to find in this tool the models of devices that are compatible with its tools. Right? Similarly, what is the price to be able to buy what is and to be able to buy what is? You can just buy what is serial, or better said, simply pay for the serial, pay for the device's service. Here are the prices, and the best part is that you can indeed do this on your own. You don't need a third party to make the purchase. So you will download the software and install it. It's not something out of this world to install a program like this. Once installed, we will actually run the program. As I showed you here on the device, it is currently asking for an account, and you will see what account it is asking for, as you can clearly see there. For this, I will need to connect the device to the computer. Just give me a moment to find a way to connect it. Well, the software has already detected the device. This is software version 8.4. Okay, I want to talk about several important things here. First, you need to check that your iPhone does not appear on a blacklist, that it is not reported, because if you have that problem, it will be very difficult for you to get the signal from the carrier you want to use on the device, that is the signal from a carrier company. Yes, then you have to check that it is not blacklisted, right? That is very important. If you don't know how to check those details, I will leave a link in the description below in the video section so you can go to the tutorial where I show how to check that part. Okay? Okay, ready? Once we have all of this, here it has been secured. When you initially use the software for the first time, it will thoroughly examine the device and tell you whether the device is compatible or not compatible for using the tool. Well, after some vehicles passed by making noise, we will continue. Well, as I was saying, the software will perform a scan, and if the device is compatible, it will display a message where you can click on a section to take you to purchase the service for account removal. How are you exactly going to purchase this? Well, in fact, the best thing about this tool is that you don't need a third party to help you purchase it. Yes, because you know that a third party will need to earn a commission for making that sale. So, the best part of all this is that you can do it on your own. So, for this, you will need a debit card or a credit card to be able to purchase it. So, if you have any fear about making this purchase, I advise you to go to your preferred bank and request a card there. You will need to open a bank account, deposit some funds, and tell them that you need the card for making. For online purchases, you provide those specifications, and the bank already knows what to do to help you with this. You need to find out the price of your device, and that is what you will load onto your card. If possible, add a little extra just in case. Then make the purchase with your card on the Remove Tools page and provide your email address because you need to enter it. They will notify you within 24 hours when the serial number is ready and registered, and you will be able to proceed with the account removal. Okay, good. So this is the best that the tool has, the Magnificent. You don't need the help of a third party to easily purchase this yourself. That's the best part. So once we've done all that, let's press the button Start, and the tool will begin its work to carefully remove the account from the device. We will keep an eye on the tool to ensure it's working. If you have any questions, inquiries, comments, or concerns, leave them below in the video. I will gladly respond to those detailed questions. Also, there will be links to WhatsApp and Telegram so you can join this lovely community. You can see that my device is on iOS version 18.0.1. It's important that you stay until the end of the video because I also need to explain more details about this tool. So don't go away and please kindly stay with me throughout the entire video and watch this video in its entirety so that I can explain in detail how this amazing tool works for you to understand perfectly. Here, the tool told me that the removal is already done. Let's check if what they are saying is indeed true. We will wait for it to activate. As you can see, it doesn't ask for any account. Let's go in. Oh, excuse me. I have to connect my first internet. Ready? Let's go in. As you can see, it doesn't ask for an account. Now, let's check the software version to see if it is updated. Let's see if it is updated. And there it is. Yesterday, 18.0.1. Yesterday, 18.0.1. All right, that's good. What corresponds now is that I can close the computer tool, disconnect the device, and we are going to do the fire test, which is to turn off the equipment to make sure it doesn't ask for the account again. In the meantime, I will prepare the SIM card to put it in the device. There, I already put it in. Perfect. So now we are going to turn on the equipment. Let's turn it on. Ready. Let's see if it works. It works. Let's see if it still works. We'll see. The tool worked. And as you can see, it's still normal. If we wait for the Wi-Fi to connect, we will check if it asks for the account. No, it doesn't ask for the account. So now we are going to turn off the Wi-Fi, and we are going to try connecting a SIM card to check if the equipment has signal. We are going to verify it. I will put it in airplane mode. Now, let's turn off airplane mode and check if it works. I will take out the SIM card and I will insert it. Excuse me. There. Ready? I already took out the tray. I will install it. Again, let's see if this time the signal works. Well, we are going to turn it off. Okay. Let's turn it on again. Let's see if this time it gives us the signal. Let's see if it works now. And there it is. If it works, great. It gives me cringe to have Bluetooth on. Perfect. There it is. Now, let's see if it asks for the account again and everything is normal. Just to show you that there is no tampering, I'm going to show you that it's the same device. There it is. There goes the 18.01. Ready? Let's test to see if the device can browse the internet. Let's try it. And there it is. It works. Let's try again. It works. Now we are going to make a call. Let's see if it works as expected and absolutely perfect. It doesn't work wonderfully. Now, however, I want to clarify some very important points. Well, to start, this is working perfectly because the device's signal is due to the fact that this device was registered before August 20th. August 20th was when Apple released their security patch. So, that's why this device works on iOS 18.0.1. The current tools are only working on iOS 17.7. They are functioning with Signal, but I did this before August 20th, and that's why it works on iOS 18.01. I haven't tested it yet on iOS 18.1. This is the newest version. Another important thing is that you need to make sure your device is factory unlocked and free for all networks. You have to check this to be sure that the device will receive a signal and that it is not blacklisted. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, below you will see the links to the WhatsApp and Telegram groups and the tutorials so you can learn how to check these details, right? So I just wanted to mention that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and comment on it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube alerts you every time I upload a new video. So see you guys. Take care. Until next time, take care. Bye.